More than a foot of rain fell overnight in parts of St. Charles County. In the city of St. Charles, a dog died when floodwaters filled the basement of an animal hospital.
Our Ryan Henson is live tonight at Elm Point Animal Hospital in St. Charles. Ryan.
And the co-owner of the animal hospital says he's just flooded with emotions this evening. So proud of the heroics of his overnight staff who risked their lives to save 30 pets. But sadly, one dog couldn't escape the floodwaters.
They just start filling up.
Have a great day.
Staff, family, and pets are happy 30 animals were able to be saved from the basement of Elm Point Animal Hospital by fast-acting staff overnight.
They were panicking because they thought they were going to lose their lives initially. I mean, the water was going out so quick, they couldn't get out either. There's 2 exits from the basement.
The door from the outside jammed shut by rising water. The flood line inside of the building shows how dangerous this situation was. Unfortunately, one pup didn't make it despite heroic efforts.
So you just expect your dog to be boarded here and be healthy and come back in a week to pick it up.
Now folks begin the back-breaking work of drying out the animal hospital during its busiest time of year.
I got insulation problems under my house is all down. I lost all my landscaping timbers. I lost some siding.
Even Ronald Altmueller's new deck that he worked on in the scorching heat, now damaged.
If I have to do it all the labor, about $7,000. And if I had a contractor do it, it'd probably be about $15,000.
Wow. And you already heard from the insurance company?
They don't want to cover it.
Altmueller's Deerfield Village neighborhood is now swamped with cars damaged after being submerged in floodwaters.
Flood in '83, one in '90-something, and this has been the worst.
So what's next for you guys?
We got to fight it, see if we can come up with money somewhere, see if somebody will help us.
Now, as neighbors in Deerfield Village were still cleaning up the debris, dealing with everything that had happened overnight, I did see one bright spot, and I want to leave you with this. Right before we did our interview, he made us wait just a couple of minutes so he could take his neighbor their lunch on time. Still some kindness out there. I'm Ryan Henson, 5 on your side.